Meaning of distinguishable.
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 Distinguishable. The term distinguishable refers to the ability to perceive or recognize a difference between two or more things. When something is distinguishable, it possesses unique characteristics or qualities that make it stand out from other similar things. Being able to distinguish between multiple objects or ideas is essential in various fields, including scientific research and legal proceedings. Failure to differentiate between them can lead to confusion, inaccurate conclusions, and even legal disputes. In summary, to be distinguishable is to have defining features that set it apart from others.